Hello everyone, welcome to Mahonati. Today, India celebrates 74th Independence Day. We all pay tribute to all other leaders who fought bravely for our nation's freedom in the past. This day reminds us of all the sacrifices that were made by our freedom fighters in order to set India free from the British rule. Being an Indian, we need to know the significance of our national flag. The national flag is popularly known as Triranga, which means three colors or tricolored. It's a horizontal tricolor in equal proportion of deep saffron at the top, white in the middle, and green at the bottom. The ratio of the width to the length of the flag is 2:3. At the center of the white band is a wheel with 24 spokes in navy blue color that indicates the Dharma Chakra, which is also called as Wheel of Law. The saffron color is the top band of the national flag, indicating the strength and courage of the country. The white color in the national flag represents honesty, peace, and purity. The white color also signifies the importance of peace and prosperity in the country. In Indian philosophy, white also represents cleanliness and knowledge. It signifies light and the path of truth to guide India's national conduct. The white color functions as a reminder to the India's leadership that the ultimate national objective is to maintain a state of peace. This is particularly important due to the bloodshed that surrounded India's independence and subsequent partition. The green color represents faith. It is a symbol of prosperity, vibrancy of life. In Indian philosophy, it is considered to be festive and stabilizing color that represents life and happiness. It demonstrates the value placed on the earth as a ground upon which all the life is dependent. In this way, the green stripe serves as a reminder to the political leaders to protect Indian soil from both external enemies and internal human destruction. The Ashoka Chakra is a depiction of Dharma Chakra represented with 24 spokes. Ashoka Chakra is also called as the Wheel of Duty. These 24 spokes represent 24 qualities of the person. In other words, these spokes can be termed as the 24 religious paths made for humans. All the paths mentioned in Ashoka Chakra will lead any country on the path of progress. This is probably the reason that designers of our national flag removed the chakra from it and put the Ashoka Chakra in the middle of the flag. Now, let us know the meaning of every spoke put in Ashoka Chakra. Primarily, the first spoke indicates chastity, which means inspiring to live a simple life. The second spoke indicates health, inspiring to be healthy from body and mind. The third spoke indicates peace, to maintain peace and harmony throughout the country. The fourth spoke towards sacrifice, to be ready for any sacrifice for the sake of the country and society. The fifth spoke, morality, to maintain high morality in the professional and personal life. The sixth spoke, service, ready to be service for the country and society when needed. Seventh spoke, forgiveness, a feeling of forgiveness towards humans and other creatures. The eighth spoke is towards love, feeling of love towards the country and all the other creatures of the God. The ninth spoke, friendship, to have cordial relationship with all the citizens. The tenth spoke, fraternity, to develop a sense of brotherhood in the country. The 11th spoke, organization, strengthening the unity and integrity of the nation. The 12th spoke is for welfare, participation in welfare activities related to the country and society. The 13th spoke is prosperity, actively participating in the development of the country. The 14th spoke is for industry, to assist the country in its industrial process. The 15th spoke is safety, to be always ready for the protection of the country. The 16th spoke is for awareness, to be aware about the truth and don't believe in the rumors. The 17th spoke is for equality, establishment of a society based on the equality. The 18th spoke is artha, optimum utilization of money. The 19th spoke is for policy, to have faith in country's policies. The 20th spoke is for justice, to talk justice about for one and all. The 21 spoke is cooperation, which means working together as one nation. The 22nd spoke is duties, to obey your duties honestly. The 23rd spoke is of rights, do not abuse your rights. The 24th spoke, which is the last spoke, is for wisdom, to have knowledge beyond the books. In this way, we have made you understand the concepts of Ashoka Chakra and its meaning. On this day, let's take a oath to follow these 24 principles of Ashoka Chakra. Each and every citizen of India should follow these 24 principles of Ashoka Chakra. The chakra signifies that there is a life in movement and death in stagnation. It represents the dynamism of a peaceful change. As you all know, a flag is a necessity for all nations. Millions have died for it. Let's embrace the moments of Independence Day. Jai Hind. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to Mahonati channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.